Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rifki Aditya from the 3 class Industrial Engineering study program. There are 7 materials that I will read. First material, introduction can be interpreted as a beginning or introduction. So this material is very important for you to learn as a basic material in learning English in daily life application. Introduction can be done in the form of conversation or in the form or text. Types introduction. Self-introduction. Introduction yourself to a stranger. Introduction other people. Introduction friends, companions, family, or relatives to others. Example. Hello friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Rifki Aditya. I live in Kramat Watu. I am a student at University Serang Raya, majoring in Industrial Engineering. That's all and thank you. Al-Quran Surat Al-Hujurat verse 13. Umankin in that we created you from a man and a woman and made you into nations and tribes that you may know one another. The second is noun. Noun is a word that shows the name of person, place, or the name of a thing or anything that is a thing. Example of nouns. Faisal, person name. Solo, city name. Man, male. Quotes. Coffee, a liquid that is dark in color like life, because no matter how sweet it is, it always has a bitter side. Albert Einstein. The third is pronouns. A pronoun is a word that can replace a noun or noun parts. Pronouns serve the void repeating the same noun or noun parts that has been mentioned before. Types of pronouns. 1. The first reflexive pronoun. The second, possessive pronoun. The third, personal pronoun. The fourth, interrogative pronoun. The fifth, relative pronoun. The sixth, indefinite pronoun. And reciprocal pronoun. Example. What are you? Which color you want it? There are so many colors. Who take the ball? I don't see someone take it. I am or me. I am glad to see you again. You always do it well. Quotes. The pronoun is one of the most terrifying marks man has invented. John Fowles. The fourth is verb. A verb is a form of verb that functions to explain an action or situation directly or indirectly, visible or invisible. Simply put, a verb is an action word to describe something done by a subject. Types of verb. Action verb, modal verb, auxiliary verbs, verb 1, present, verb 2, past, verb 3, past participle, and verbing. Example. What happened to your uncle? I am working at the office. They play soccer on the weekends. Quote. I think that we all do heroic things, but hero is not a noun, it's a verb. Robert Downey. The fifth is adverbs. Adverbs are words that modify and explain verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. In other words, these adverbs serve to provide more detailed information about the verbs, adjective, and other adverbs in a sentence. Adverb usually and inly. Verb example, locally, quickly, and others. But please note that not all adverbs end inly. Types of adverb. Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree. Example, we stuck in the traffic jam for hours. I'm not allowed to play outside the house after 6 p.m. We will totally support you. The sixth is conjunction. A conjunction is a connecting word that serves to link two or more sentences so that they become one sentence. Conjunction makes sentence more effective and efficient, so that readers and listeners get a clear context. Types of conjunction. Coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, compound and correlative conjunction. Example, my brother come to his Room for sleeping, coordinating conjunction. I was in the class before everyone come in yesterday, subordinating conjunction. As long as she is staying in this city, she will be sick again because of pollution, compound conjunction. She chose neither Korea or Japan to study, correlative conjunction. Quotes, technology without head can be so beneficial for mankind, but in conjunction with head dirt, it leads to disaster. Simon Wiesenthal. The seventh is adjective. An adjective is a word that serves to explain, describe, or limit a pronoun or pronoun that is still general. Types and example adjective. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective are adjective that modify a noun based on the identification of its owner. The purpose of this adjective is to show ownership of an object. Example, my book is blue. Interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is an adjective that is used to ask a question related to a noun or noun parts. Example, what book did you read? Demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is an adjective used to clarify the position or number of a noun. Example, last night I found this old storage box. Compound adjective. A compound adjective is a combination of two or more words that function as a single adjective in a sentence. Sometimes compound adjectives are dot with a dash. Example, Taylor Swift is a well-known singer. Quotes, a man's character might be learned from the adjective which he habitually uses in conversation. Mark Twain. And there are some additions, namely reading. The sentence is time, past cannot be repeated. The first word, time, denotes a noun. The second word, past, denotes a verb. The third word, cannot, denotes a verb. The fourth word, be, denotes a auxiliary verb. The fifth word, repeats, denotes verb to. That's all I have to say and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.